Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cartier Rimless eyeglasses, model CT0287o in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana, and these glasses are a rimless rectangular shape. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Cartier emblem engraved in the lens, and the bridge is gold. The temples are gold and Havana, and on its temple tip, you'll find the Cartier logo in gold, and the iconic Cartier Dècor in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And inside its nose pads, you'll find the Cartier emblems in gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the dimension of the temple, which is 140, that is made in France, the model number of the frame, and the color code of the frame. On its inner left temple is the serial number and the Cartier logo in silver and the dimension of its temple, which is 140. The glasses also come with a white and gold Cartier box, a red and gold Cartier gift box, a black Cartier case with a Cartier logo in gold, a red and gold Cartier booklet, a Cartier cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is the Cartier logo, and a Cartier dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.